Good evening, everyone. So it's really nice to see 31 people are live on Facebook with us, and we have 17 attendees who are there on webinar. So very warm good evening to all of you, and thanks for showing the support to the WAE's event that we are conducting, All India Mock Placement Test. So that is really a very nice gesture of you all, and we had this from long time in our mind that there should be a placement test all India for the students, and that should help them in knowing where they are on the national level scenario. And that's where we wanted to do that from long time. And we are, I think, now on typically completing it, and our dream has become the reality here. So you all can write your questions either on the webinar link that you have, or you can also write in the box that you have on Facebook Live. So I'm Mukesh Vyas, I'm co-founder of WAE, and I had been with corporate, British Telecom, Vodafone, Infosys for a longer time. And I was also part of Infosys campus placement panelist team, and have taken a lot of interviews across North India for Infosys campus placements. And from 2015, I have been into my own venture, that is WAE, and we have been helping students for cracking placements. And I'm also expecting to start one season soon about the placement stories, and that would, I think, help you all to understand how to crack placements with the problems that your seniors had in the past and how do we address them. Now let me start with the session for the day, and then we will take the queries. We have some queries. So I have thought that maybe that I can take most of the queries in my presentation, and then if you have something you can ask. Yeah. Okay, so let's first start with this. So the agenda is that I would be browsing through the presentation, and I'll quickly finish in around 10 minutes. And then mostly what we will do is we will have live questions here. So let me first start with my presentation. And you all are ready for that? Yeah. Okay, so just give me a moment. Yeah. So the first thing is, what is this All India Mock Placement Test? How has it been designed? Now, my dear friends, it has been designed seeing the format of various companies which are visiting the campuses for mass drives. What we mean by mass drives is those who recruit in very huge number, and that is what is predominantly we want to capture. So we already have a lot of registrations for this All India Mock Placement Test, and we also want students to know what is their actual preparation. They are sitting at the end of June, and you may anytime hear about some tests like TCS National Qualified Test, which normally happens in last week of July or first week of August. Last time it was scheduled on 20th July. So that is first thing. Are you ready for campus placements? This test will judge your readiness for placements. That is the first point. We have registrations across India from IITs, NITs, triple ITs, and very prominent colleges. A lot of them, not naming a few, because then if we miss some college, it may hurt someone. We have coverage from all the students. That's very important. Now let's come to why is WAE conducting this test? This is a very common question that has come to us, that why is WAE conducting this test? What is WAE's interest in this test? Now WAE has always been a partner for the students in their placements, and WAE wants to have that association with students always there. And so Aditya Jain, I have noted this. I will take this question that has been noted very well. So I would be taking all questions around 5:25 onwards. Till then, we will address this agenda that everyone will be on the same page. So why is WAE doing this event? First thing is, it is an unprecedented situation. Very much as Aditya, you said, after Corona. Now let's not talk about after Corona. It's already in Corona. We don't know when this Corona will end. We don't know whether after Corona will be after 2021. No. So we can say in this Corona period how to plan. So we call these times as VUCA times. What is VUCA? Volatile. We don't know how much it will evaporate. Uncertain, very much uncertain. I was taking a marathon session in one of the prominent colleges of North India on 13th of March. And in the evening, we came to know that the colleges will not be opening, will be closing down due to Corona from tomorrow onwards. My plan was to start the classes, and that suddenly we had to halt that. That is the uncertainty. So we have to plan for uncertainty, complexity, very complex situation, very complex recruitment patterns. So we'll address that. Ambiguity, a lot of confusion. There's a lot of confusion even for people of 2020. Their joining is not clear when they would be joining. So that's ambiguity. WAE wants the students to prepare for these uncertain situations, these complex situations, and ambiguity. Yeah. So then let's come to the next part, to provide the focused solutions and advices to the students. So once this test would be over, we would be providing you focused solutions on how to crack and how to resolve the problems that you are facing, because we will know where are you after this test. Last but not least, my dear friends, this is very important, the point number 3. This time the recruitment targets would be very much boxed. That means if a HR has a target of 20,000 across India of Infy or some other company, they would not be stretching it. In past times, they were stretching it from maybe, let's say, if it was 25,000, they were stretching it to 30,000. But now it may not be possible for them to stretch it beyond that. And that is going to be a problematic situation. So when the HR cannot stretch their targets, now the point is, so what to do? Because they cannot stretch the targets, the hiring would be very strict. That is, the numbers would be very, very tight. So it won't be possible for them to reduce the numbers. That is, it won't be possible for them to take high. For example, 25,000 is the target. They will always try to be close to that. They cannot cross that. Last but not least, again, providing a national level platform for placement test. It was missing. WAE was always trying to do it, but it was not possible. But as I can see that, so there was not a single platform which could give students an exposure to something like mock test, and that's why WAE was committed and WAE had that. Now let's come to the next slide. And what that talks about? That talks about the pattern of the AIMPT. Now you all have been following us from a long time and you all know what the pattern is, but we would again want you to just quickly understand the pattern of AIMPT. There would be 3 sections, each of 30 minutes, and there would be 90 questions in 90 minutes. This is very, very important, my dear friends. 90 questions, 90 minutes. So the focus has to be on covering all the questions. What would be the level of questions? It would be above than the normal pattern that Infosys and other companies have. So it would be rather more than that. So, and I think I have addressed the issue that voice was echoing. Please, I think Vinod Kumar, check now. It should not echo now. Now let me come to, so level would be highly above than the pattern of Infosys, Capgemini, TCS. Technical skills, there's a question that's what would be the pattern of the technical questions? We all know what would be in QA and LR, but how do we understand what would be the pattern in technical? My dear friends, it's very simple. I'll take one by one branches and then I'll tell you what would be the pattern. The first thing is computer science. You all know the pattern of Capgemini, pseudocode is asked. So that would be there. You know the pattern of TCS, where you normally have questions on computer fundamentals, C++, OOPS. And there is a program. We are not having a programming round. So in objective questions, you can expect questions on pseudocode. You can expect questions on programming fundamentals. You can also expect some part of Infosys TQ, where the questions would be on database management system, on queries. The questions would be more of problem solving and practical in nature. They would not be of mugging the concepts. That would be a very critical point that we would be covering. Electronics and electrical concepts of your core concepts of power distribution for electrical, then electronics, electronic devices and circuits, operational amplifiers, then networks, mechanical engineering, about design, civil engineering, BIM concepts. Those would be which are asked in campus placements. Focus on campus placement and holistic branch coverage. You should cover all the concepts of the subject of the branch. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is in it for the candidates? Now this is critical, my dear friends. If some of the friends are waiting, call them up. This is a vital section that I want to talk about. What is in it for the candidates? Practice of a competitive test in a mock placement atmosphere. It hasn't been done in past. A mock atmosphere will be there. Some organizations have been providing, but that have been in a different format. You get the marks instantly, and then the problem also is that only the marks are there. You don't receive a comparative scorecard. We would be giving you a detailed scorecard. And what is a detailed scorecard? You would get your percentile scores. You'd get your absolute score. You'll get your cutoff in each section. Then after the test, we take full responsibility of owning what we have given to you. We will be doing an analysis session also. We have a responsibility for the test we conducted, and we would totally be complying with that. Also, you can track your performance in all the three areas. This is very important. Today, at the juncture of the placement season, you can understand, am I weak in aptitude or my verbal is not that good? Because Infosys is one company which focuses on verbal like anything. Technical fundamentals, companies like Pinnacle Infotech, they are totally having questions on design and BIM. So are you on page on that? Manish, I think that is a valid point, but this is a starting point. We can take this, we can have in future, sure. Ravina, I'll come to that. 525, I'll start questions. So what is the syllabus for AI MPT? So I already covered this in the previous slide, but I'll again tell you aptitude and verbal ability sections. This is elaborated syllabus that I'm talking about. Also, the presentation that I'm covering, you will get by tonight in the email from WA team. So no need to bother about that. So there's no need to take pictures and all. You will get this PPT by tonight. No need to worry, my dear friends. So aptitude and verbal ability, how you need to prepare. What is the syllabus? So why we are not giving you the list of topics is the reason whenever a company comes, they also don't give you a syllabus. So we also want it open-ended, but the syllabus would be of all these companies. So you can visit, you can Google. I will not tell you the sites, the name of the sites. I don't want to advertise for others, to be very honest and competitive. So you can Google it about the company name and you will get the pattern. So what's the companies that you know that visit your campus? Just Google for them. You'll get their topics, prepare for them. That's done. Common topics asked in various placement tests should be prepared. We are covering most of the topics that would be there in all these companies that I talked about: IBM, Accenture, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, TCS, Wipro, Comviva, a lot of them. Okay, now let me focus upon the technical fundamental section. You need to understand the major fundamentals, major concepts of the corresponding branch. That is very important. Yes, Santanu is very correct. That is one of the sites. So technical fundamentals, major concepts of the branch. For example, computer students, please focus on OS, then your data DS and Algo, DBMS, lot many things. Frequently asked questions in core company placements. Mechanical and electrical guys, focus upon your core companies and what questions they ask. Focus on key fundamentals of your branch. More questions on application. I can promise you, we will be having questions on applications as they are asked in the campus placement exams, no theoretical questions. How the cutoff would be determined? This is a very good question by most of the participants. How are you determining the cutoff? So we are going for a double-edged method. we are doing it in two ways, and we are taking combo of both. That is historical cutoff based on our experience from various companies. When we prepare this paper, what should be the cutoff on the historic basis? Then what is the average or what is the cutoff of the batch that gave the exam? For example, we already have 4,000 plus registrations. By the test, for example, around 5,000, 6,000 give the exam. Now, or 10,000 give the exam. Then how do we take the cutoff? First is historical cutoff, which is as per our experience. Second is from those 10,000 or 8,000 students who give AIMPT, we take cutoff from the average or the formula on those, and combining historical cutoff and AIMPT, we get the overall cutoff. Now, this is very important slide that I want to talk to you all, my dear friends. Those who would be clearing all the three sectional cutoff and the overall cutoff. So we will have 4 cutoffs, each section's cutoff and an overall cutoff. The person who will be clearing all those 4 cutoff will be marked as selected. That means if this was a mock recruitment test, if this was a real recruitment test, you would have been selected. Now, this is what you all are eyeing for. This is what WA will provide you. Scorecard format. What does that mean? This is the format in which you will receive your scorecard. The detailed scorecard, I can guarantee you, never done in past by any company, any organization, even no one has done it. You will say, AMCAT does it in very much. AMCAT takes 1,000 rupees or much more for a single test, or 2,000 for a single test. And then also, this is not provided. They do something for which they are not accountable. So there is something we are giving you. How many students were ahead of you? How many students were behind of you? So that is what is more important. Yeah. So let's see, what is your scorecard like? Your scorecard is something like this. First is the performance highlight section. Total number of students appeared. We will honestly tell you how many students appeared here. Then total number of students appeared in your technical area. You need to understand, for example, 5,000 appeared total, but there are 2,000 from CS. So a person from CS will see 5,000 in the total number of students appeared and 2,000 in your area, which is CS. Overall AIR. What is your overall AIR in out of those 5,000? And what is the AIR in your technical area? What is your AIR all India rank in 2000? So these are the 4 important things that we will provide to you. Then how is the AIR calculated and how is the technical AIR calculated? So for overall AIR, we will only include the first 2 sections, that is QA and LR and verbal ability. That will give you overall AIR. Then for technical area, we will only refer your technical things. What we will do is, we only include the marks of technical fundamental section, only the marks of technical section. On the basis of that, what is your AIR in your technical area? Okay, that is what is our pattern. Performance details. This is too detailed, my dear friend. We are really investing a lot in this event just to have all of you geared up for this placement season. Yeah, Vinod, we will be offering, we'll be doing that. But this first test is the free test. And then later on, we can share with you the cost structure of the testing being offered by us. We will surely do. Thanks a lot for asking. Then we have performance details. All sections that you have, all the 3 sections, we will give you absolute marks. Out of 50, how many marks did you get? Also, if you didn't see in the previous slide, we have a negative marking of 0.25. That is very important. Now, so all these sections of 50 marks, out of 50, how many of absolute marks did you get? Then you have a percentile score. That means how many percentage of the total participants were behind you. That is very important point that we need to focus. Then is the cutoff reference. This is critical. Cutoff reference is what was the sectional cutoff you need to know out of 50, and what was the overall cutoff out of 150. That all, or then, so we will tell you all the cutoff, QA, LR, and overall, I think there's a typo, my dear friends. Overall, there would be out of 100. Technical, it would be out of 50. So we would be doing these 2. Okay, now let's go to the next slide, very critical one, about the test platform. Many of you are of doubt, sir, how would you ensure that we don't have usage of unfair means? Some of the colleges asked us that how would you ensure that the students are not using unfair means, or so for example, one student is giving on one device and he opens another device for helping. Now that is, so our paper will take care of such issues. Second is very important because the time is very limited. So if you invest in these type of practices, we will come to know. Another is our platform is such secure that if you use Control C, Control V and all those things, our platform will detect it. So that is very important. The next slide will tell you about the measures that WAE has taken to ensure that it would be a safe and secure and honest exam. Here we talk about how do we conduct this test and how would you be sure that you get all the credentials on time. Which platform are we using? It is our own platform, which we have been using over the years to help students. 27th June is the date when you will be getting your credentials. So 27th June, 11 AM, you will get your credentials with a mock test of 15 minutes. एक sample test one आपको मिलेगा. So one sample test you will get of 15 minutes, which you can give any time just to check if connectivity is fine. Also, you should use the same device. There's a typo. You should use the same device on 27th so that there are no issues on 28th. So 27th is a dummy day. That is very important. Agree? Yeah. You can share your thumbs up and smileys on FB, so we all are motivated. Yeah. So now let's, yeah. So how do we support you for the test, for the issue? So for example, someone is not able to log into the platform. So we would be having our team working on that day for you all on the AIMPT help desk. So we would be having All India Mock Placement Test help desk, AIMPT website. You have already can see the link. You have been visiting us. So on WAE website, on the AIMPT page, we have a help desk where you can ping us or for any issue that you face, and we would really help you in real time, and we will resolve all those issues. You have 3 methods to solve the issue, to get the issues resolved. The first one is on the help desk link. Second is mail us. Third is WhatsApp us on this number. This presentation will be emailed to all of you. No need to worry. How would we ensure that students are not using unfair means? First is we know that students have to display self-integrity and ethics. So my request to all of you, and please tell your students also that please, there's no need to have extra devices. There's no need to copy. We would be helping through our pattern. Our pattern would be such you will not be able to find questions on Google. I can promise you. You would not be able to find our questions on Google, that is for sure. Second is we would be giving you a set of instructions on 27th. Follow them. What you need to do, you need to switch off all the notifications on the device that is being used. There are a couple of other instructions also which you need to follow, and our test engine has got one inbuilt capability that we will be giving you 2 reminders, 2 warnings. If you are not listening to those messages, third time you would be your test would be terminated. And my dear friend, we will not be helping you anything. You will be calling. We cannot help on this issue. This is integrity issue. So this has to be very, very thoroughly understood. If you are found swapping across application and searching on Google and anything, Control C, Control V, all these would be tracked by our test engine. Please don't do that. Please don't focus on these unfair means. Focus on the content preparation and the opportunity that has been given to you all. So focus on that. Okay, this is now I want to browse you, and then I would be open to all the questions, and there are a lot of questions waiting for us. What are the important dates from now onward? From now onward, we need to understand there are a lot of dates. First thing is last date to register for AIMPT. Please ask your friends to register as much as possible, because one thing, my dear friends, if we have 4,000 today, if we can have 40,000, WAE has an engine to support 40,000. What we need, if we get 40,000, you all will get a real experience. The more the students, more is your experience getting richer and richer. So please send it to more and more of your friends. Bring more friends on the platform. That will give you more genuinity and more real experience. Okay. Now, last date to register, we talked about ID email. We will be emailing you all your credentials on 27 June. Online. Okay, just a minute. I think I should be audible. Just a minute. We know the volume is. Just give me another mic. Tell me, is it better now? Because it should be better now. I think maybe that headphone was causing some problems. So yeah, just I would be waiting for you all, and then because now the questions will also arise, and the questions will be there for us. Okay, now, so yes, now it's audible. Santanu says, Vinod, your voice, I think you can also see it. Okay, very good, I think now. So let me close this last point, and then there are questions from the live event also, which we have got. So there are a lot of participants on the live link as well. So they are also asking questions. So I'll take up the questions. Just let me wind up on this. So important dates, we would be emailing you all your credentials on by 27 June 11 AM. Online sample paper and credential testing you can do on 27th. WA team will support you in that. AIMPT 2020, it will be held on 28th June. We would be having a lot of slots 10 AM to 6 PM. Also, scorecard, we will be taking around 1 week to email you all the scorecards because we just want to verify it as well. And so we would be sending this by 4th July, 6 PM. AIMPT paper analysis. This is very critical, guys. We would be doing this paper analysis and problem solving. Problem solving, it means whatever issues you had genuinely, not about the platform and anything, about some problems that you had in solving questions. You knew the concept, but you couldn't solve. We would be talking about those things. So your critical problems that you faced, we would be addressing all those in the session on 5th July, 2 PM. This would be very, very important for all of us. And I think all the eyes should be on this session. Then now I'm open to the questions. So I would be announcing the question and then answering it. So now let me start with some questions, which is, so just give me a moment. So I'm just taking the first question by Sanjoli Gupta, which is any problem if can I attend this test through mobile? Sanjoli, you can surely attend this test through the mobile. Just what you do is when you get the credentials on 27th, test with the same mobile. A very important point about mobile users is that in mobile we have a lot of notifications. So you need to disable the notifications. Also take a note of all those conditions and instructions that we give to you. So apply all these instructions on your mobile. We would be telling you to switch off the notifications and some couple of other notifications as other instructions. Take care of those instructions. That is very important. OK, so follow the instructions. There's nothing to worry, but in mobile you need to be extra cautious. There are a lot of notifications that come and that can cause your termination of the test. So please take care of the notifications as instructed in our manual that we will be giving to you on 27th. Next question is, I think, what if Nishant says, what if our system hangs in between? Nishant, we will be taking care, our software takes care of that. Yes, our software takes care of that, and so no need to worry on that. You can restart from where you stopped, so we will take care of that. There's no need to do, but I would ensure, can you do a ping before speed check, and please have a proper network that will help you. And these days that is very important because this year all the tests would be held online, so you need to have a proper network. I would expect you all to have a ping time not more than 15-20, and also have a good download and upload speed. Check these three parameters. That is very important. Okay, so that is so we will take, the software will take care of it if it hangs in between F, and if it stops, the time is not wasted. That is being ensured by software. Yeah. Then let's come to, so I think Sanjoli we have taken. Okay, that question that I addressed was Nishant's, that we have also taken. So now let me take some FB Live questions. I'm checking on FB Live questions. The first one, I'm going from the top again. So let's then it's just a minute. First one that I can read out is Aditya Jain. Please tell about the test job opportunities after Corona. So how are the job opportunities after Corona? That's what Aditya asked. First thing, Aditya, we never know. It is after Corona. I don't think in India it has stabilized so far. We are still on the upside of the curve. It has not flattened yet. So we cannot say, and we are not in a situation to say that it is after Corona. We are living between with Corona, and we can have a longer period also. We can have maybe, God forbid, but we may have a whole placement season going with Corona. So what I think is critical for students is to build skill, focus on skills. As I always say, what is a skill? Skill is something which helps you in earning. Skill is not getting certificates. Skill is something which helps you in earning. And how can you do that? Focus on that. Focus on something which can help you in earning. That is skill. So that level should be there. Have skills which can give you jobs. So we have a video on that on our YouTube channel. You can see that. Yes, Abranil. So that was on Aditya. So if you have any further queries, you can also ask me again on Facebook. I'll take up that. Will there be any on-screen calculator? No, Bhaskar, it won't be there. Because there won't be such typical calculations. We are not focusing on those. There won't be any on-screen calculator for the technical section. We'll be taking care that it's not of that problematic to you. Okay, then we have, so Bhaskar's question is answered. Then let me take one question from Abranil Guha Thakurta on that. This question is from our live link. So Abranil says, sir, will the sample test on 27th cover questions on all the three sections? Yes, Abranil, the section will cover all the three sections. So we will give five questions in each test, each section, 15 questions. That would be a sample test. Please understand that that test is only to check your accessibility. Don't treat it as a mock paper. The level will be certainly much better in the main paper. So don't take that this is the same and the level. Then let's not compare the levels in both the cases. OK, so hope the question is answered. Now, I think there was one question which I had an eye on. This is from Anjanayelu Avula. So tell about the fresher condition to get the opportunities. So Anjanayelu Avula, what I want to say is situation is tough, we all know, but we have to focus that the skills that we have are sufficient, and we need to have more of placement oriented skills rather than only certification oriented. That's what I'm saying. Please don't focus on certificates. Focus on, for example, let me say if you're a computer science engineer, then never focus on just doing n number of languages. I can give you one example that for computer science engineer, there are three things. One is full stack development, another is Python, and the third is competitive coding. So if you take care of these three things and focus on that, your jobs are taken care. So focus on, first thing is key skills. What are the skills for this time and the level? Don't have basic level, have problem solving level, have practical implication level. OK, that answers your question. Can you give me a heads up if you're there? Then we have Nikita Tiwari. Are there any companies shifting India which might open any? I think Nikita, you are referring to one of the news that I also heard, that manufacturing companies are shifting their manufacturing capabilities from China to India. But one thing, it doesn't happen very quickly. It takes some time, 6 to 12 months minimum. It takes a year minimum. By the time people like you are deployed, that means engineers. Yes, very true that you would also be getting graduated by then. But this is good news. Good news is always welcome. So if we are ready for tough times, good times will be handled automatically. Yeah, but it is in pipeline. It may happen. India can get more manufacturing capabilities, both in hardware as well as we can have software services also, which are there with China mostly. So we can have both, and hardware is majorly, which is now China dominated, which can come to us. So very good. It's a good question, good observation. We have to keep our fingers crossed, but yes, it comes, it will open up new opportunities. So we have to be ready for good as well as the worst times. And so have skills, have good training, have real projects, solve problems, focus on real projects, don't focus on beautified projects. Okay, so this is what we had. Now let me see if there is no registration charge for this test. There was an anonymous question. What is can it be on mobiles? Yeah, you can use Costa. I have already answered one question of Sanjoli. You can, yeah, so we have Costa's question. Costa Ghoshal says, what is the platform of the exam? It is our own customized platform. Can it be it is web-based platform. You need not to download any app. You can use it on mobiles. One thing very important, there's no need to use, there's no compulsory condition that you need to use your desktops. You can use your mobiles also, but ensure that you follow the instructions. No notification should be switched on. Your notification should be switched off. And so that is the, hope I answered your question. Now let me take another question from, this is a question from Nishant. Why negative marking companies generally don't have negative marking? Yeah, 80% companies don't have negative marking. Very true, Nishant, but some companies like TCS have negative marking. And we wanted you to be prepared for tough situations. This year, companies can have negative marking. So we wanted to prepare you for the worst, and we will come out as the best. Yeah, and that's, I think, mostly I have covered this on the platform that's there. Now let me see if any query is pending on. So Nikita's query was answered. Ravina, Santanu, Manisha, okay. So that's Cherry also. No, I don't think so. I think we have answered all the queries on all the platforms. So thanks all. Thank you for joining. Thanks. Have all the best for the exam. Take care. Thank you. Keep writing to us.